Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into a beast of a TV, the brand new Samsung 75-inch Class Neo QLED QN990F 8K Mini LED Smart TV, 2025 model. But before we start, if you're thinking of upgrading your entertainment setup and want the absolute best, check the link below for the latest price and deals. Let's get into why this might just be the best TV of 2025. Fire emoji, stunning 8K resolution with AI Upscaling Pro. This TV features Samsung's most powerful NQ8 AI Gen3 processor, and the 8K AI Upscaling Pro is no joke. It takes regular HD or 4K content and makes it look ridiculously crisp, almost like native 8K. Whether you're watching YouTube, Netflix, or live sports, the clarity is unmatched. Light bulb emoji, Neo QLED plus Mini LED equals mind-blowing brightness and contrast. Samsung's Quantum Matrix Pro technology with mini LEDs offers insane levels of detail. Blacks are deep and inky, and highlights pop even in the brightest of rooms. And yes, this TV is glare-free, so even with the sun hitting it, you're still getting perfect visibility. Video game emoji, next-level gaming. Gamers, listen up, with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, ultra-low input lag, 4K 120Hz, 8K 60Hz support, and VRR, this TV is made for next-gen consoles and PC gaming. It's like having a monitor on steroids, massive, beautiful, and super responsive. Headphone emoji, sound that follows the action. With Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus, you're not just watching the action, you're in it. The sound moves with what's happening on screen, making every scene more immersive. Satellite antenna emoji, sleek setup with wireless One Connect. No more cable mess. The wireless One Connect box lets you connect all your devices in one hub and keep your setup clean and futuristic. The ultra-slim design and nearly bezel-less display make this a centerpiece in any room. Speech bubble emoji, smart features that just work. Samsung Tizen OS is lightning fast, with access to all major streaming services and voice assistants like Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Plus, the UI is clean and easy to navigate. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Samsung QN990F 8K Neo QLED is more than just a TV, it's a masterpiece. With breathtaking visuals, incredible sound, future-ready specs, and premium design, it's an investment that transforms your living room into a personal IMAX. Whether you're a cinephile, gamer, or just love premium tech, this is the TV to get in 2025. Down pointing finger emoji, thinking about picking it up? Check the link below for the best available offer today. You won't regret it.